Say something, Angie. Angie, say something.
You know, she already says cheese, John.
Come on, river, you brown boy.
1-year-old.
Very good, baby.
I've seen that little smile.
Okay. When you come out, do your Jacqueline Bassett.
You know, when James was like 8 months old, he was going to daycare, and I came to pick him up one day, and this woman had changed his diaper, she told me, she said, baby said thank you. And the thing is, whenever, that's a game I would play with him. I'd hand him something and say thank you. And then, I thought he was saying it, but I wasn't sure. You know, it's just kind of weird. But anytime she would hand him something and he would make the same noise. It sounded like 8 months old.
Genius. Well, I like genius.
Talk, talk, talk.
Listen to the rhythm of the splashing water. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Hey, Sarah. Hi.
Olympic.
Are you going to be on the swim team at high school? No.
Oh, come on.
Looks like he has a bill for it, too.